guys, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. Today in this video I am going to review the all new i20 top but one Asta variant. So before going to the video, I would like to give credit to the showroom for allowing me to shoot this video. So this is the all new i20 top but one Asta variant in the fairy red single tone color. So Hyundai calls it only i20 and not the Elite i20, note it. So the i20 Asta comes with a 2 engine options, that is a 1.2 liter Kappa BS6 4-cylinder petrol engine, and in this engine you are getting the 2 transmission options, that is a 5-speed manual transmission and the intelligent variable transmission or the IVT. And in the second engine option, that is the 1 liter turbo GDI 3-cylinder BS6 petrol engine, and in this engine you are getting the 2 transmission options, that is the 7-speed DCT and the intelligent manual transmission or the IMT. So the on-road price of this 1.2 liter 5-speed manual Asta variant here in Karnataka is 10.62 lakhs. Yes, that is the 10,62,000. So the i20 comes with the warranty of 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers, whichever is earlier, or 4 years or 50,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier, or 5 years or 40,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier. So coming to the headlights, you can see you are getting the LED projector setup with the LED DRL, cornering light and the turn indicator. So this is the projector fog light on the front dual tone bumper. You can see the high gloss grille on the front bumper. So coming to the wheel size, you are getting the 195 by the 55 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. So this is the dual tone ORVM with the LED indicator and the puddle lamps on both sides. So safety features of this i20 Asta model are driver and passenger side airbag, tire pressure monitoring system, puddle lamps with the welcome function, then ABS with the ABD, reverse parking camera with the sensors and display on the infotainment system, driver rear view monitor, front projector fog lamps, automatic headlamps, emergency stop signal, day-night IRVM, then blue link buttons, center locking, smart pedal, impact sensing auto door unlock, speed sensing auto door lock, clutch lock, then headlamp escort function, then smart key, burglar alarm, rear defogger with the timer, then the seat belt pretensioners for the driver and passenger, then speed alert system, driver and passenger side seat belt reminder, immobilizer and high mount stop lamp. So these are the safety features of this i20 Asta top but one variant. So this is how the car looks from the back side. I am showing it to you in the wide angle view. You can see this fairy red looks very sexy, I can say. So coming to the tail lights, you can see you are getting the LED Z-shaped tail lights with the turn indicator and the reverse light. You can see the Asta badge on the boot. Here on the left side you can see the i20 badge on the boot. So this is the LED Z-shaped tail light I told you. You can see you are getting the 2 parking sensors on the rear dual tone bumper. I am showing it to you. You are getting the 2 parking sensors. And you can also see that chrome strip running between those LED tail lights. You can see. So I am opening the boot now. So this is a very large sized boot for a perfect family trip. You can see. You are also getting the luggage lamp. You can see it here. And the Bose subwoofer you can see. Yes, you are getting the Bose subwoofer in the Asta model. So this is the spare wheel. You can see this is the 15-inch spare wheel. You can see. bench folding seats. You're getting the bench folding seats. You can also see the parcel tray there. So this is the reverse parking camera, you can see. You can see the rear wiper with the washer and on the rear windshield, and the rear defogger on the rear windshield, you can see. So this is the high mounted LED stop lamp, and this is the shark fin antenna, you can see. You are not getting the sunroof in this top but one Asta variant. So you can see the interior here. I'm coming to the interior. So this is the single tone color door you are getting in this i20 Asta model. So these are some controls, you can see, for controlling the power windows and all those things. So auto folding ORVM, you can see, with the adjustments also, and the lock unlock button. You are getting the blue soothing ambient lightings here in the door also, you can see. I'm showing it to you, where you keep that bottles, right, but in the bottle holder. So this is how the cabin looks from the outside. So for the driver seat, you are getting the height adjustment and the reclining function also. So this is how the cabin looks from the outside, you can see. So in this Asta model, you are getting the 7 speakers, that is the Bose 7 Bose speakers, 4 speakers, 2 tweeters and 1 subwoofer I showed you in the boot. So I'm getting inside the car now. So this is the instrument cluster. This is the push start button, you can see. So this is how the instrument cluster turns on. So here in the instrument cluster, you can see some of the information like gear shift indicator, trip meter, then average fuel economy, and door and tile ajar warning, GPS, tire pressure monitoring system information, and some of the informations, you can see it here. So this is the all digital instrument cluster. So there is no analog here. Even the RPM and the speedometers are digital now. So steering mounted controls, you can see, you are getting the media control, then the Bluetooth controls and the voice command button and the mode button for changing the Bluetooth, FM, aux, etc. And this is the leather wrapped steering wheel, I am showing it to you. You can see the design of the steering wheel. And coming to the infotainment system, this is a 26 cm touchscreen infotainment and the navigation system, which supports smartphone connectivity like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bose 7 speaker system I told you, then the front and rear speakers, front tweeters, subwoofer, USB connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel with the audio and Bluetooth controls, then voice recognition, Hyundai Blue Links with over-the-air map updates, Blue Link integrated smartwatch app, then the iBlue, which is the audio remote application. You can install it on your phone. So you can see I'm showing it to you some of the controls here. Now you can see you can go to sound controls and adjust. You can do the adjustment like bass adjustment, treble adjustments like that. You can see the version of the software installed there. I'm showing it to you some of the settings. So if I put the gear to reverse, you can see you're getting the reverse parking camera, that is the display on this infotainment system. You can see it here. So below that, this is the one touch fully automatic climate system, that is the AC system, you can see. So you can adjust the fan and the temperature that is the buttons. Now you can push that button up and down to adjust the fan and the AC controls there. And here you can see you are getting the wireless charger with the cooling function, 12 volt charging socket, 2 USB ports you can see, one for the pen drive and one for the charging port, with a blue illumination also you can see. This is the 5-speed manual gearbox you can see. 2 cup holders, different sized cup holders, parking brake with the black tip you can see, and the armrest. Underneath the armrest you are having some space here you can see. So this is how the dashboard of the i20 looks, Neo i20 you can see. It feels very premium I can say. So this is the manual IRVM. So note that this is not the auto dimming IRVM. So you are only getting the blue link buttons there on the IRVM. So this is sunglass holder you can see. Front cabin lights you can see. On the passenger side sun visor you are getting the vanity mirror. You can see the non-collapsible grab handles in this Asta variant. On the driver side sun visor you are not getting the vanity mirror. So this is the glove box with the cooling function you can see. So this is a passenger side door you can see. So the interior is now the single tone color, only black color. So there is no combination of the beige and black now. You can see the driver rear view monitor button here. Some texture on the dashboard you can see. This is the tweeter, I am showing it to you. So this is how the front cabin looks from the outside. You are not getting the sunroof, I told you, in the Asta variant. You are only getting the sunroof in the Asta optional top variant. So this is the rear cabin, I am showing it to you. So this is the rear side door with the button here for the power window, bottle holder also. So I'm getting inside the rear seat now, rear cabin. So front height adjustable headrest you can see. So this is how the cabin looks from the rear seat. I mean how the dashboard looks from the rear seat. So you can see you are getting the rear AC vents here. And you are also getting that USB charging port. So you are getting some very deep space here for keeping your mobile phone while it is charging. So rear cabin light you can see. Non-collapsible grab handle you can see. So this is the rear parcel tray. You also observe that you are not getting the height adjustable headrest in the rear seat. You are also not getting the rear seat armrest in the this Asta variant. So I am showing the engine bay area you can see. So this is the battery, ECM, then the air filter. You can see it here. So this is the 1.2 liter Kappa 4-cylinder BS6 petrol engine. I am showing it to you. So this you can see the alternator motor here, wiper washer fluid. You can see the brake fluid also there. So this is the 1.2 liter cup of 4-cylinder BS6 petrol engine I told you. So I'm showing the engine bay area in the wide angle view. So this is how it looks, you can see. So I hope this video is helpful for you friends. If you are planning to purchase the all new i20 top but one Asta variant in the fairy red color single tone color. So this is how the i20 looks from the back side angle view. So you can also contact the showroom for any sales inquiry on road price only if you are from Karnataka. So subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. Thank you.